Mama, that butterfly has rainbow wings. Let's catch it on paper before it flies away. Baba! That squirrel just jumped from a swing to the tree.
That was a super squirrel leap. Wanna draw what you just saw?
Okay. I'll draw the swing, the squirrel midair, and a big tree with curly branches.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know a blank page can turn into a magical world with just a few colors? Get your crayons ready. Today we're jumping into our imaginations and coloring up some awesome scenes.
Baba! That squirrel just jumped from a swing to the tree.
That was a super squirrel leap. Wanna draw what you just saw?
Okay. I'll draw the swing, the squirrel midair, and a big tree with curly branches.
Don't forget his superhero tail. Draw something simple you saw, like a moment at the park, and use bright colors to bring it to life.
And he needs goggles. I'll color the swing red and make the sky super blue.
Now that's a cool scene. One squirrel, one swing, and lots of action.
Mama, that butterfly has rainbow wings. Let's catch it on paper before it flies away.
Nice. The sun looks ready to party. Show what's happening in your picture, add action and color that match the mood, like sunshine and fluttering wings.
I'll color the butterflies, one rainbow, one neon pink. Oh, and glittery glue for the flower petals?
Yes. The scene feels like a sunny picnic in Butterfly Town.
Wait! I can draw the blanket too, with the strawberries and the juice box, and look! Our tree has that little squirrel peeking out.
Add it in. And maybe a breeze with little swirly lines, so we can feel the wind in your picture.
Ooh. I'll draw the leaves dancing in the air, and I'll use soft green for the grass and shadow colors under the picnic basket.
That's it. You're telling a whole story with your colors and details now. It's not just drawing the things, it's drawing the feeling.
It's like you can hear the birds and smell the flowers just by looking.
Exactly. Your drawing is singing a picnic song without using words.
Now it's the time for quiz. An artist draws a scene of people running from dark clouds. Which color group best fits the first scene? Option A: light green, baby blue, and white. Option B: gray, dark purple, and black. Think about how colors show feelings like fear or excitement. Option B is correct. Which picture shows a scene where the artist used background and foreground correctly? Option A, a drawing with a tree in front and mountains far behind. Option B, a drawing of people floating in the sky with no ground. Realistic scenes usually show far and near objects clearly. Excellent. Option A is correct. Realistic scenes usually show far and near objects clearly. Option A, a picture with orange and purple skies fading into dark. Option B, a picture with all colors used randomly. Good job! Option A is correct. Artists use color to show morning, noon, or night. It's always better to copy a real picture exactly when drawing a scene. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Using only one color in a whole drawing can still tell a full story. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we might turn spoons into superheroes, who knows? Until then, keep those paper plates ready for more crafty fun. Catch you on our next colorful mission. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.